everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glambag and the Ipsy Glambag Plus. So the box that it came in was pretty big and I thought there was something huge inside. So if you want to know what's in my Ipsy Glambags, then keep on watching. So guys, these are the Ipsy Glambags for the month of June. The first one on the left is actually the Ipsy Glambag, which is around $14 a month. It has a super cute tassel or pull tab on the zipper. I'm loving it a lot. It looks like an orange slice. It's so cute. The first item in the bag is the Milk Makeup Hydrant or Hydro Grip Primer. So this primer contains hemp-derived cannabis seed extract, which hydrates the skin. And it also contains a blue agave, which I think gives it that blue color. The blue agave, isn't that a form of honey or some sort of sweetener? It actually is supposed to help grip the makeup for an all-day wear. By the way guys, I totally forgot to show you the card for this month. The theme is Show Your Colors for June 2022, and basically it's encouraging us to show bold styles and vibrant shades this month. Honestly, I'm super excited to use my bolder eyeshadow colors like bright yellow, orange, and blues. I can't wait for this summer, guys. The next item in the bag is a waterproof liquid eyeliner in the color Obsidian, and the brand is Kaleido Cosmetics. Very interesting packaging. So I've never heard of this brand before, but it's actually cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. Because it's waterproof, I'm actually excited to try this out. So this next one is by the brand Dew of the Gods, and it's called Froze Mini Ice Rose Body Scrub. I love the packaging. It's so colorful and cute. So this is a body exfoliator, but it's also great for the hands, especially for this size. And you can close the packaging as well when you're done if there's still some left. So this next item is what I'm most excited about. It's Youth to the People Kombucha 11% AHA Exfoliating Toner. I feel like I really want to explore the YTP Youth to the People brand. I've been really intrigued by its packaging. And I've only tried their cleansers before and it's amazing. So I cannot wait to try more from this line. The last item in the bag is by Belle and Argent. It's a tinted lip balm. And I gotta say, I love this purple packaging on the lippy. The color looks gorgeous. It's like the perfect mauve color, but because it is a lip balm, I think I'm gonna pass on this one because I tend to gravitate towards more matte colors on my lips and more opaque colors. So I will definitely be putting this in a giveaway sometime soon. I gotta say, I love the purple and yellow theme colors for this month. So this bag is the Ipsy Glambag Plus, which contains 5 full-size items. But on the card, it says that there are extra goodies in this bag for being an Open Studios member. And so I just want to thank Ipsy for letting me be a part of this Open Studios program. I think this is my last month of the quarter, and hopefully I can continue on and showcase these bags for you guys. But if not, I'm truly grateful to be given a chance by Ipsy. This was all 100% gifted to me, and yes, thank you Ipsy. This first item is a Pixie Light 2.0, and it's pretty much a small cute ring light for your phone. The next item is by the brand Hip Dot, and they are colorful mini makeup sponges. So I wet one of the sponges, and this is what it looks like when they're wet. They're about a third of the size bigger than the original. First impressions, the sponges looks super soft, super bouncy, and I love that they're not too small. I feel like you could actually use them more than just under the eyes. Next item is by the brand La Rouche, and this is a LR120 tapered blending brush. I feel like the gray color is such a unique color, but also this is the softest, one of the softest brush I've ever felt. The next item is by the brand Dr. Zenovia, and it's a hyaluronic acid plus peptide serum. It contains a clinical grade of hyaluronic acid which nourishes the skin, and it also contains a peptide complex which visibly plumps and tones the skin for a youthful, radiant finish. The next item was totally unexpected. It's one of Ipsy's refreshments. Ipsy refreshments are kind of a membership program where you get items monthly for a very discounted price. I'm super excited about this product. The wand looks very durable and nice, and it comes with 2 refills, which I know I can use for travel. The next item is by the brand Nina, and it's a mineral eye cream. It contains mineral water and berry extract, which helps revitalize and refresh the eyes. So it says here the product is made from nature, vegan friendly, gluten free, sulfate free, and paraben free. I'm definitely gonna try this one. I love the packaging. First impressions, it feels very cooling and creamy to the touch. The last item in the bag, guys, is a small palette by Ciate London. Now, I have to say I do love the Ciate brand, but I wish Ipsy showcased other brands. I know they have a Natasha Denona mini palette for the month of June, so I wish I got that instead. So this is what the palette looks like. The name of the palette is called Bronze. It contains 9 shades of bronzy colors. I do love these kinds of colors, but I think I'm not going to keep it just because I have so many of them in my collection. So that is everything in my Ipsy Glambag and Ipsy Glambag Plus. What do you guys think? I want to say thank you to Ipsy for gifting me all of these items. I gotta say, I'm still more excited about the Ipsy Glambag, even though the items in the bag were mini or deluxe size. I feel like I'm more excited for the brands and the type of products that I got in that bag. For the Ipsy Glambag Plus, I did get 2 extra full-size items, so I'm so thankful and excited about those extra products. Normally, the Ipsy Glambag Plus contains 5 full-size items, but I got 7. So I just want to say thank you again to Ipsy for all these goodies. So what do you guys think about my 2 glam bags? let me know what your favorite item is in the comments below. With that said, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. There's always something new to learn here, and I'll see you guys back in my corner soon. Bye guys.